Now we are going to discuss the question answers. A bit. Answer the following questions. So first question is, how are teeth useful to us? So all of you know that teeth help us in tearing, grinding and chewing the food, and this is the first step of digestion. And one more thing it is doing, it is helping us for speaking also. Is it? And it is giving us the shape to our face. Next one, the thing that means the how many types of teeth are there, what are their function. So all of you know that there are 4 kinds of teeth are present. So teeth are of 4 types. They are as follows. The molars help in chewing and grinding food. The premolars help to tear and crush the food. The canine provides the grip to tear the food. The incisor used to cut the food into small chewable pieces. Is it? So these are the one of different kind of teeth. Next, mention 2 ways in which you would take care of your teeth. Do you know? I have told you that we can take care of our teeth by using a dental brush with soft bristle, and we should brush our teeth twice a day regularly, and whenever you are brushing your teeth on that time you should pay attention. Minimum for 2 minutes you should do it. You should not go in very rushly. You should take your time and you should brush your teeth. And next one, 4th one, what are microbes? Do you know what are microbes? Microbes are very small living organisms which are invisible, also known as microorganisms. They occur in various shapes and sizes and can be seen using a microscope. So you can understand about the microscope. I have told you. So the microscope, they are not only another thing, is it? Sometimes they are helping also, and microbes without us, they could live, but without them we cannot live. So that's why we need the presence of the microbes. Next one, that 5th one, how many types of microbes are there? What are they? So all of you know that there are mainly 6 types of microbes. They are bacteria, virus, algae, fungi, protozoa and archaea. Is it? Next, the 6th one. What are the uses of microbes? Do you know what are the uses of microbes? Yeast cells are useful to break. They can change sugar into carbon dioxide gas and alcohol. Bacteria cause the change needed in milk to make yogurt and cheese. So they are helping in our daily life, isn't it? So you have to understand about their structures. You have to learn about them also. Now we will do the B bit. Now we will discuss the B bit. Fill up the following blanks using the clue kit. So here clue kits are given. So by using this clue kit you have to fill. So first one, dash shells are useful for bakers. Is it? So for bakers you know that here the yeast is there. So you have to write inside bracket yeast. Y-E-A-S-T. Yeast cells are useful to bakers. Is it? Next one, second one, dash are the smallest of all the microbes. So all of you know that the answer should be virus. Is it? So here you have to write virus. V-I-R-U-S-E-S. Viruses are the smallest of all the microbes. Next one, third one, the outer layer of a tooth is called what? The outer layer, that one is the enamel. So you have to write here enamel. E-N-A-M-E-L. Is it? Next one, the fourth one. The dash are used for chewing and grinding food. So all of you know that molars are being used. So you have to write here the molars. M-O-L-A-R-S, the molars. Fifth one, the dash are used for cutting food into small chewable pieces. The answer should be the incisor. Is it the incisor? I-N-C-I-S-O-R-S, the incisors. Is it? So this bit is also over. Now we will see the C. Match the following. First one, in the left hand side words are there, and in the right hand side also few words are there. You have to match both of them. So first one, the incisor. So all of you know that the incisor, that one is using for the cutting of the food item. So that's one, that one should be the cutting teeth. So here you have to write D, incisors. Is it? Next one, if you will see the canines. Is it? So canines, what are they? Why are they using? They are using for the using as the cutting teeth. Is it? So that means the tearing teeth. Is it? So here you have to write here A. So tearing teeth. Next one, canine. After canine, the premolars are there. Premolars. What you have to write? Premolars, see here among with the cracking teeth. Is it? So here you have to write E. Next, what about the molar? All of you know that one is the grinding teeth. So here you have to write F. What about the enamel? Enamel, you know that that one is the hardest substance. Is it? So here you have to write B. Next, the microbes. Virus is a one kind of microbes. So here you have to write C. So in this way, this bit is also over. Now we are going to discuss the D bit. Write yes or no for the following statements. So if the statement is correct, you have to write yes, and if the statement is wrong, you have to write no. So first one, bacteria are not microbes. Is it correct? I think that one is not correct. So you have to write here no. Inside the bracket, you have to write no. Next one, the animal is harder than bones. Yes, that one is correct. So you have to write here yes. Is it? Next one, what the thing? The all teeth have the same shape. Is it correct? No, that one is not correct. So you have to write here no. Is it? Next one, fourth one, every time a tooth falls off, a new tooth grows in its place. No, every time it is not possible. Only one time it is possible. So you have to write inside bracket no. Next one, microbes that causes diseases are called germs. Is it correct? Yes, that one is correct. So you have to write inside the bracket yes. Now we are going to discuss the E bit. Write answer in one word. So first one, teeth which is used to bite our food. So that one should be which teeth? That one should be the canine. Is it? So here the answer should be canine. C-A-N-I-N-E-S. Canines. Next, the outer cover of a teeth. What should be the answer? Answer should be the enamel. E-N-A-M-E-L. Enamel. Is it? Next, the third one, the soft part present inside the dentin. So what should be the answer? Answer should be the pearl. Is it? That one should be pearl. Next, the part of tooth present inside the gum. That one is the root. Is it? That one is the root. Next, if you will see the fifth one, the teeth used to tear the food. So what should be the answer? The premolars. Is it? The answer should be premolars. P-R-E-M-O-L-A-R-S. Premolars. And what about the last one? The hardest substance present in our body. That one is the enamel. E-N-A-M-E-L. Is it? That one answer observation in the given lines. So all of you are able to see the pictures, is it? So here then you have to write what are you observing here. The teeth can be used as an aid in determining the approximate age of a goat, is it? And especially up to the age of 4, goats have 8 incisor, cutting or biting teeth on the lower front jaw. These are sharp and small in animals less than 1 year. They drop out and they are replaced by 2 permanent teeth. 24 molars, chewing or grinding teeth, are found in the back, 6 on each side of the upper and lower jaws. At about the age of 2 or more large front teeth appear, 1 on each side of the yearling teeth. The 3 or 4-year-old has 6 permanent teeth, 2 more than the 2-year-old. At 4 or 5 years of age, the animals have a complete set of 8 permanent teeth in front. So these are about the teeth of what? The goat. Is it? See here, one lamb, first year, second year, third year, fourth year. So within this year, the different chains of the teeth are observing here. Is it? Now we are going to discuss the GP. Give at least one diseases caused by given microorganism. So here the given microorganisms names are given. So their diseases you have to write. So what about the bacteria? So bacteria generally they form the diphtheria, pertussis or the tetanus. So in this kind of disease they simply spread. And what about the virus? Chickenpox, flu, that means influenza, these things. And protozoans, they are causing the malaria, the amphiosis. And the fungi, what they are doing? Jock itch and the ringworm, is it? And what about the microbes? They are spreading flu and the what? Measles and the influenza, is it? What they are doing? Influenza, they are spreading the flu and germs, influenza and cold. These kind of diseases, they are spreading around us. Now it's time to discuss about project. So first one, draw the diagrams of the 4 types of teeth and name them. So all of you know that 4 types of teeth, they are the molars, premolars, incisor and the canines. So this picture you have to draw and you have to level them. Next one, you have to draw the structure of tooth and level the parts. So this structure you have to draw and its different part you have to level. And this next one also, that draw a diagram to show different layers of a tooth and level all the parts. So this drawing also should be the same, that the different layers. Here the enamel, dentine, the part, these kind of things are given. So this one also you have to do. Next one, what the thing you have to do? The fourth one, what is the difference between temporary and permanent teeth? Draw the 2 set of teeth. So all of you know that the temporary teeth, they are smaller in size. What about the permanent teeth? They are larger in size. In the larger permanent teeth, these incisor, the canine, the premolar, the molars, this all kind of teeth are present. But the case of the temporary teeth, these all are not present, is it? So this thing you have to write. Next, the slide skill. There are 5 basic steps to caring for teeth and gums. So what are the basic steps? Already you have learned, but you have to use those things in your life. So brushing, flossing, eating right and visiting the dentist and the rinsing. These 5 process, if you will follow, then you never will face the tooth decay. Is it? So all of you go through the lesson and prepare well for our online exam. Thank you.